Good morning, you guys. So today, I'm gonna go to the museum at the mall, and right now I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, and later on I'll just get ready and take you guys with me. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup, and yeah, you guys are just gonna get ready with me, and like I said before, I'm going to the mall. So yeah. Yo, my hair gets so curly, y'all. It gets so curly, and it'd be hard to slick it back sometimes. I'm not really into edges, but all I do is just kind of push them back because I'm not really into edges like that. But yeah, guys. Gotta get this slayed. And what's the point? I know it kind of leaves like it looks like cream, like lotion, but I have to put a lot because if I don't put a lot, my hair will not stay. Like, my hair will not stay. But oh my goodness. I know I make serious faces, y'all. Yeah, with 4C hair, like, you have to use all of your muscles. Like, the type of hair I have, in order to get it, like, slayed, you have to use all of your arm muscles, like, crazy. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Probably in the next clip, you'll see me at the mall. I don't know if I should do my makeup right now, or I don't even know if I should even wear any, but I just wanted to look cute. But yeah, guys. Mother. And you just take the excess off and brush the little flyaways. And yeah. Y'all, I used to have relaxed hair back then, and when I relaxed my hair, it was so long. But I didn't know how to take care of relaxed hair back then, so I kid you not, if I knew how to take care of relaxed hair, like my natural hair would probably been as long as this, like permed, like a relaxer. But because I didn't know how to take care of it, I had to cut it off. I cut it off in like early high school. And I just had to do like the natural fro and let it out. But yeah, guys, that's the story. And now everyone's doing like team natural. Majority of people are doing team natural, so I don't know. Do I like it relaxed? It's cute relaxed, but I feel like with the relaxer, you have to do it every day. Versus natural, sometimes you don't have to do your hair like every day. You could just slick it back, if that makes sense. Like you just put it up in a bun, you know? But relax here, you have to have it slayed, like. And then I take this real quick. So I'm using Got To Be, guys. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm in a rush. And I'm gonna use this brush to brush my hair back. Everyone's rushing me. I don't like to be rushed, y'all. But anyways, the Got To Be, you really have to get yourself Got To Be, because Got To Be will really slick your hair down. And then, okay, you guys, so right now I'm gonna do my makeup, and I have sunscreen. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. I'm gonna try to hurry up and speed this up because it's really hot outside and I have to go. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. Like makeup look I'm gonna do. I'm sorry if my screen looks lopsided, like slanted. I don't know, this selfie stick is not leveled properly, so I just hope that that has nothing to do with the video. Like I hope it turns out okay. I don't want to put too much sunscreen, so just gonna blend it in as much as I can. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers, by the way. I appreciate it. I need 500 more. Yeah, and let's just keep growing with this channel. Actually, I wanted to tell you guys that I actually want to make another channel that's gonna be really my main channel, and then this channel, I'm gonna wipe it out and kind of keep it as a vlogging channel, and then for my main channel, it's gonna strictly be like beauty videos and like girl chat videos. So right now this is just mixed with everything, but until then, later down the road when I hit like 1,000, I'll probably wipe it out, make like another channel being like the main channel. So yeah. Okay, so we have this. Use this. Just kind of dab some there. Starting off, it looks a little crazy, but don't worry, guys. We're gonna blend it out. We're gonna blend it as much as we can. Like this. Drag it down. Yeah. So we kind of put this here on the face. Color correction. Even though if it still works. But yeah. Especially here and here. Which is a concealer and foundation. Fit me which is like the low price foundation that you can get from like the drugstore. So I use this. A little bit of this, and to use this as the heading too, but just put a little bit like this because you don't want to put too much. And basically, you know the process. Go like this under the brows, push them upwards, and like this. Oh, I think this is a different color because I have 2 shades. So I think this is the natural color. I don't know if I should do this one. Because really I wanted to hide the black parts underneath the brows, like right here. I think I'm gonna go for the natural look today. I'm going like this. Basically what you want to do is kind of brush this part up, like a middle part, and just like brush it. I don't know how to explain it right, but basically, yeah, you just brush this part up so it could be like even, so they won't look like you got them like professionally done, like don't look like natural. And yeah, these two, a beauty blender takes too long, so I'm just gonna mix these two and that. Spread it around, spread it around. Now I know I look like mid-orange, but we're gonna fix that once you put the powder on. But the part is to try to look natural today, so it's supposed to look like skin. Like that. I think it's running out, so I don't know, I might just use this one. And you just blend it to your liking. This. I know this might be a little too dark, but I don't know. My skin is like already like tan, so it's okay. It's gonna match. It's gonna match, y'all. Concealer, that way I can do it as like contour, like a shadow look. Yeah, I need like a darker concealer to make it like concealer shade. I don't even know what I'm saying though, but this. That's all you do, y'all. I don't have setting spray, which is something that I should get. But yeah, guys, setting spray helps make your makeup stay longer. Don't mind my scars. Sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. I'm trying to look at myself. Yeah. And you just go up and down. If I had the darker color, I would use it, but I don't. Because I think the one I have is running out. So, yeah. I don't really know what's my real color, because it's like, when I go in the sun, I get like a darker, you know, shade. But, I don't know, y'all. With this as a waistcoat. Since I have red nails and pink nails, I'm going to try to do the colors together. So I'm going to go in with Faithful. Okay, I'm going to go in with Faithful. We're going to add Faithful right here. Like right here. I should have did it before I got later. Helps set the makeup in. Argan oil. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I tried. I know on camera it probably looks a little different, but when I looked in the mirror it looks natural. So if anything, I'll just go inside and fix it. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I don't know if I'll do a separate video. This might have to be a separate video because it's too long and I have to edit. So yeah, bye guys.